So I got a lot of paid PR comments on my last video.
ये बिक गई.
Firstly, thank you for believing that I am influential enough to be a sellout. And secondly, let's be honest about that. You know, after uploading the video, I realized कि ये मेरी ही गलती है. This is my mistake. Most of you who are my audience, you guys only know what I post about. The rants and the roasts. You only have the idea of things that I hated on in the internet. जो मुझे अच्छी लगी, उसके बारे में मैं बहुत कम बात करती हूँ. And that is a problem that I need to solve. Of course, अचानक से आके किसी चीज़ की तारीफ कर दी तो पेड़ ही लगेगा ना. I don't blame you at all.
मैं लखपति कहलाऊंगा, पैसा डबल.
You guys have no idea all the things that I do watch on daily basis. My brain goes through literally so much bad VFX and compositions. जिनके कंपैरिजन में मैंने रामायण रखा एंड इसीलिए मुझे थोड़ी सी बेटर लगी इन कंपैरिजन, और यही मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलती थी. मैंने इन द वीक्स लीडिंग अप टू दिस ट्रेलर इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैश कंज्यूम किया है कि मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस अपने आप कम हो गए थे. एंड आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट. आई हैड नो आइडिया कि सभी मेरी तरह ट्रैश कंज्यूम नहीं करते हैं. एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी. आई एम सॉरी बाबू.
जब तक यहाँ से ना निकले ना तब तक.
Also, side note, I know it will sound a bit weird, but I went through every comment and read all of your points, and it made me so happy that people actually care enough to talk about this, write long paragraphs explaining what they found wrong. I mean, in a creative space where we are literally bombarded with content that needs literally no brain to watch, people are actually using their brains. Made me so happy.
इतनी खुशी.
और कभी भी अगर मुझसे कोई भी बहुत पैशनेटली बात करता है ना, लाइक किसी भी टॉपिक पे, डज नॉट मैटर, मैं सुन के इतना ज़्यादा खुश हो जाती हूँ. लाइक आई लव इट व्हेन पीपल केयर. दे टॉक पैशनेटली अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट
control.
So thank you everyone who took their time to type huge paragraphs letting me know what they found wrong and why they disagree with me. Massive respect. Now let's come to the point. मेरा पॉइंट रामायण ट्रेलर को प्रेज करने का था ही नहीं. मेरा पॉइंट बस इतना था कि जैसे नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स को प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रही है, वैसे ही पॉजिटिव्स को भी एटलीस्ट एग्जिस्ट करने का मौका मिले. एंड आई विल टेल यू अ सीक्रेट दैट इज अ रनिंग ट्रेंड इन मार्केटिंग. ओके, इट इज वेरी इजी टू हेट समथिंग बिकॉज नेगेटिव नैरेटिव्स को पॉपुलर करने में कोई मेहनत नहीं लगती, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. तुम आज इंटरनेट पर वीडियो डालोगे, विद इन 24 आवर्स आप ट्रोल होने लगोगे. इट इज दैट ईजी. मेरी गलती ये है कि I chose not to take that hate path. If only I spoke about the things that I hated in the trailer and not about the things that I liked in the trailer, maybe that version of the narrative would have had better acceptance.
तुम तो बिल्कुल मेरे जैसे हो गए हो.
Thank God validation के लिए इतनी ज़्यादा भूखी नहीं हूँ मैं. इतना आसान होता मुझे खरीदना. Too easy. सी, अगर एक क्लास में 20 बच्चे हैं और उन सबको आप सेम क्रेयॉन्स और पेपर दे दो और कहो कि ड्रॉ सनफ्लावर, तो क्या हर फ्लावर सेम होगा या हर ड्राइंग की क्वालिटी सेम होगी? नो. रामायण इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. एवरी सिंगल पर्सन हु हैज रेड रामायण, सीन रामायण, listened to Ramayan, everyone has their own version of Ramayan. As I said in the previous video, it is a very personal topic to each one of us. For some, it is a love story, the best love story to ever exist. और दूसरी तरफ वही स्टोरी बन जाती है गुड वर्सेस इविल की, बुराई पे अच्छाई की विजय प्राप्ति, उसकी कहानी. For some people, Ravan is God. They pray to Ravan. For some, Ramayana is mythology. For some, it is history. There is no perfect version of this that appeals to everyone. Then why are we expecting this version to be exactly perfect? Batman के fan हो, right? Every director in every film, depending upon its decade, have shown Gotham City in a different way. None of those versions are exactly true according to the vision of the comics. ये हो ही नहीं सकता achievable. This is just an impossible dream. So, which version is the most accurate then? Depends on who decides. Every individual has a different version of true Ramayana in their heads. Let's talk about the vision behind it. Let's take Ravan, जहाँ पे गुड वर्सेस इविल को एक वीडियो गेम और एक मॉडर्न लेंस से शो किया गया है. कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एक्चुअल रामायण. सेकेंडली, द कॉमिक बुक्स दैट फीचर रामायण आर वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल वर्जन ऑफ वाल्मीकि रामायण. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, रामायण रेफरेंसेस इन तमाशा, जहाँ सीता माता के आर्म्स में लिखा हुआ है R Heart S. I mean, how is that even accurate? I'm pretty sure this body paint business was not going on in front of Balmiki ji. Not only this, इंडोनेशिया में एक होता है केचक डांस, फायर डांस. बहुत ही इलेबोरेट फायर स्टंट्स एंड चैंट्स किए जाते हैं और दुनिया भर से लोग आते हैं उसको देखने के लिए. बस 1 से 1.5 घंटे का शो होता है और आई थिंक मोस्टली शाम को ही परफॉर्म करते हैं ये लोग. उसमें भी रामायण की स्टोरी बताई जाती है, विच इज sort of very different from our version that we have heard of, read about or seen previously. Let's talk about our annual ritual. India mein specifically we have Ram Leela. Every year different actors cosplay to tell the story about Ramayana. Are they accurate? I don't think so. Another example. Did you also know that there was a Thai Ramayana as well? Well, it's not Ramayana. The characters and their names and some themes are taken from Ramayana.
น้องสีดาจงจะออกจากเขตอาคมนี้เป็นอันขาดจนกว่าพี่จะกลับมา
Here we have a character who is named Lakshman, and here he is a funny character.
My name is Lakshman.
Now, who gets to decide that this version should exist and the others should not? Of course it's inaccurate. Of course it's not the ultimate truth. It is just somebody's version of Ramayana. If we actually made Ramayana the way Valmiki ji told it, I think CBFC would have to give it an A rating because there was a lot of gore in that. Speaking of this, I also remember watching this version of Ramayana, which was a mixed media animated film called Sita Sings the Blues, which also got a lot of hate and controversies and bans for its storytelling and the portrayal of Sri Ram and Sita Ma, among other characters. Was that an accurate version? Absolutely not. Again, it's just somebody's version of Ramayana. My point is, all those versions have room to exist together as long as it is not blatantly disrespectful to the story or the characters. I would never say no to listening to a story. I'll hear it and then decide if I like it or I don't. This is Namit Malhotra's Ramayana, not Valmiki Ramayana. As an audience member, I gave him the liberty to imagine Ramayana and tell the story in his own way. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो सही है या मैं गलत हूँ. इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि हमें उनके विजन के साथ अग्री करना है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट हिम टू हैव द स्टेज जो कि सबको मिलना चाहिए. क्रिटिसिज्म इज ऑलवेज इनकरेज्ड. Nobody denied that the cast should have been younger, but we are not reaching that stage of conversation ना. यहाँ पे conversation श्री राम casting is so bad पे आके रुका हुआ है. See, I will give you an example. Actor A is bad for this role. He is so stiff and it feels unnatural. Scenario B. Actor A is bad for this role. Actor B would be perfect for this. Sentence A is hate and sentence B is constructive criticism. God, I can't believe I'm having to explain all of this.
किससे बात कर रहा हूँ, क्या बात कर रहा हूँ, समझ में नहीं.
I recently watched Kiba Kibi's take on it and he is probably the only person who is making sense in this entire scenario. I've seen TRP and Shan Prashar's videos too. They both are absolutely right where they have criticized the certain choices and the frames, but they have also given importance to the good things. And that is exactly what a conversation should be. If everyone is bashing the trailer just by saying, OMG, Surpanakha looks better than Sita Ma, the entire conversation is going to be one-sided, na brother? The entire point of the conversation is lost.
अब मिलता ही नहीं है, पता नहीं कहाँ है.
Just pause for a moment and think. थोड़ा सा टाइम लो. सोचो कि हम इतनी जल्दी किसी चीज़ को डिसमिस कर रहे हैं. That is fine, but इससे better choice क्या हो सकता था? इसका भी तो solution दो. Actually, you know what? It is not fair to the audience as well because as an audience, we are facing with so much recency bias. The kind of content that we have been consuming, at least visually, in the last 2 decades, they have already been introduced as groundbreaking CG works, aesthetics that have established standards. So it is always an uphill climb for an Indian film to meet those expectations. For example, we have seen Hulk. Right, full-fledged Hulk in action. So seeing giants or Kumbhakarna in Ramayana adaptation will always provoke that sense of comparison. It is very, very human to feel this way. And that is the biggest challenge that Ramayan team has to overcome. Especially when we have seen grand movie sets in films like Padmavat or Ponniyin Selvan, which had almost less than quarter of the budget. So if anything doesn't come close to that expectation, of course it will be disappointing, and I understand that now. How did I forget something that I only said?
चीज तो बढ़िया है लेकिन बहुत पैसा लग रहा है इसके पीछे।
हमारी प्रॉब्लम ना सरफेस लेवल की है ही नहीं। हमारी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि 4,000 करोड़ का लेबल लग गया इस पे। वी एज देसी पीपल हैव दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल हैबिट ऑफ गेटिंग आवर मनीज वर्थ। हमारी फिल्में इस टॉपिक पे हिट होती है कि यार क्या मस्त पैसा वसूल फिल्म है ये। हम शादी में 1,000 का गिफ्ट देते हैं तो ये कोशिश ज़रूर करते हैं कि एटलीस्ट 3,000 रुपये का खाना वसूल हो जाए वहाँ से। तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि वी विल टेक द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड टू मेक दिस एंड क्रिटिसाइज इट, क्योंकि इट इज़ नॉट एज गुड एज इट कुड हैव बीन। दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली वैलिड, कम्प्लीटली। जहाँ तक मेरी बात आती है, आई एम अ पर्सन हु ऑलवेज गिव्स समवन द बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट बिफोर दे फाइनली डिसअपॉइंट मी।
इसे चांस देना चाहिए।
ओके, चांस देते हैं।
It is just who I am. I can't change it. I have tried. It is borderline self-harm. I just wanted to clarify why I'm focusing on the positives as much as I am focusing on the negatives. Also, this is my channel. Where else will I make my case? So yeah, that was it. Tell me what you think about it.
बताओ मुझे।
Subscribe to the Quarter Ticket Show. I will be back with yet another video. Till then, okay, chalo bye.